Check this out.
Hi everyone, I'm Jorelyn, the team leader of our Arduino project, and I'm excited to introduce the team that made this possible. First, we have Christian, our programmer. He focused on writing the Arduino code to make sure all the parts and functions work properly. Next is Rizel, our analyst, who helped us understand what the project needed and guided us with the right planning and data. Then there's is Yesha and me were the designers of the group. We worked together to build the actual setup, connecting the components, arranging the parts, and making sure everything was working as planned.
Arduino project number 7, the temperature alarm. This project uses a temperature sensor to monitor heat levels. When the temperature goes above or below a set limit, the alarm activates. It is useful for safety and environmental monitoring.
So let's discuss and enumerate the list of materials to be used in our Arduino project number 7. First is the Arduino board, the brain of the project that controls everything. Prototyping shield, make it easy to connect parts without soldering. Male-to-male jumper wires, wires to connect all parts together. Buzzer, makes the alarm sound when the temperature is too high or too low. Temperature sensor detects the current temperature and sends the data to the board. And that's all we need in our project number 7. So let's go to the exciting part.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we'll be making a simple Arduino temperature alarm. On the left side, you'll see all the materials we need. And on the right side, we have our Arduino kit. So, here's the materials we need. Arduino board, breadboard, temperature sensor, buzzer, and jumper wires. Now, let's start assembling. Place the Arduino board securely on top of the Arduino kit. Do the same with breadboard and then set aside the sensor and buzzer. Attach the buzzer to the breadboard. Next, take two jumper wires and connect the buzzer from the breadboard to the Arduino board. One pin goes to pin 9 on the Arduino and the other pin goes to ground. Next, attach the temperature sensor to the breadboard. Use 3 jumper wires to connect the sensor. The first pin goes to positive side on the Arduino. The second pin goes to analog pin A0 and the third pin goes to ground on the Arduino. That's it for the hardware setup. Now our Arduino temperature alarm is ready for coding.
So this is the code for the AP number 7. First, I type the temp pin. The LM35 sensor is connected to analog pin A0. Next is the buzzer. Buzzer is connected to digital pin 9. The next is float temperature equals 0. This will hold the calculated temperature in Celsius degree. In the void setup function, initialize the serial monitor so you can see readings on your computer. Start serial communication at 96 baud. For the buzzer pin mode, sets the buzzer pin as output so the Arduino can control it. Now, in the void loop function, read sensor value 0 to 1023 from the LM35 temperature. Analog read temp pin reads the voltage from the LM35. Value is between 0 to to 1023, corresponding to 0.5 volts. Temperature sensor value 5.0 divided by 1024.0, close parenthesis, formula to convert ADC value to Celsius. Converts raw ADC value to voltage 0 to 5 volts. Serial print temperature sends the calculated temperature to the serial monitor in this format. The serial print temperature print the numeric value. Last, serial print, open parenthesis, C for Celsius degree. So print the unit. For check the temperature exceed the threshold to 33 degrees Celsius, we will go to if else. If temperature is less than 233 degrees Celsius, buzzer will turn on with a tone of 1000 Hz. Otherwise, buzzer will stay off. So this program reads temperature from an LM35 sensor, converts the sensor's analog voltage into degrees Celsius, display the temperature on the serial monitor, activates a buzzer alarm when the temperature exceeds 33 degrees Celsius, and it will alarm off.